Hello class and welcome to week 10 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you're still working out of the Criminal Justice module. For short, we call it the CRJS module. This is week 3, and for week 3, you'll be working on the CRJS week 3 discussion for post. For this week, you're going to be considering the essay that you'll be working on for your criminal justice essay. You've been doing a lot of reading in it. You did the chart last week. And for this week, what I want you to do for the post is, after reviewing all of the learning resources that you've done for this module, review the CRJS essay assignment and consider the criminal justice issue you plan to write about in your essay. Write an essay topic proposal that addresses the following. Why have you identified this specific problem or issue as your essay focus? What do you already know about this topic? Many of you have a lot of background, or you know someone who is familiar with the topic, or you've done extensive reading about it. So what do you know about it? What 2 readings and or learning resources do you plan to use in order to justify your arguments in your essay? Why have you identified those 2 resources for your essay? What specific information do you plan to use in your essay? What do you need to find out about this topic? What is your plan for researching your topic? Who is your audience? Will you be talking to fellow classmates, a general audience, an audience that knows about the criminal justice system? Who will be your audience? What do you want the audience to know, believe, or understand, or do after reading your essay? So these are some of the things I'd like you to tackle as you formulate your paragraphs. So organize your response in paragraphs by topic. Include at least 1 quotation or paraphrased idea for each of the 2 sources you plan to use in your essay. And for each quotation or paraphrase, make sure to use MLA-style in-text citation. That's parenthetical information with the last name of the author and the page, if you know it, at the end. Also include a works cited page or a works cited list. And later in the week, please respond to at least 2 peers in order to get full consideration for this. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.